Hello guys and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your ChatGPT or Claude or whatever LLM out there with your MCP, which is the Canva MCP. This is crazy because it unlocks a lot of features and a lot of kind of designs, and the LLM will actually do it as an agent and it will take care of it for you. You don't have to do that a lot of stuff. So you just have to create actually a prompt that is specific and tells whatever you want to do, and it will do it for you. So let's start actually with connecting the MCP, and then I will later on show you use case that I'm actually working on and how I'm using Canva for this use case. Okay, just let's take this out of the way. So for the people that are coming just to actually connect their Canva, let's do it so you can actually have that response directly. So basically you come here and you come to the settings and you come here to app and connectors, account, and what is very important is apps and connectors, and you go here in advanced settings, developer mode, and you have to check this, okay? Because otherwise it will not work. You should also be on the plus plan, because otherwise it will not be accessible. It will not be accessible for you. So here, what I will do is I will actually erase it, so I don't have to. So I can show you actually how to connect it, and I will delete it also. So yeah, just create, and here you will actually name Canva MCP. You put this, which is HTTPS. 2./mcp.canva.com/mcp. You should keep it all what, and you should trust this application, of course. So now it will create it, and what will happen actually, it will open up this to actually allow the access with Canva, which is very important. You have to be connected to your account to be able to have this kind of acceptance page. So all good. Normally it should be connected as it should. So let me actually. Yeah, all good. So what we can do actually is ask ChatGPT if he has actually access to that MCP. So let's do it even better. Just let's ask him how actually, what are the actions that MCP has? What are the actions of Canva MCP tool that you have? Okay, well, the sentence doesn't actually mean that much, but I think he will find his way. So it's looked for available tools. It will be looking for Canva MCP, of course, and then it will list us all the actions that are possible and that you can do and use with Canva. So this is actually crazy because you can just actually prompt it and it will do everything for you as you have said. Okay, I'll show you a prompt that I'm using. I'll show you also the use case. So now actually that you have connected your Canva, so for all the people that are getting to this stage just to connect the Canva, they can leave the video. But if you are interested in the use case, we can talk about it and how I use Canva myself. Great, so here you have all the actions that you can actually use. So you can actually get more into knowing about the limitation that you will encounter, because of course it's not magic. There are things that you cannot do. But great, so now what we will do, I will show you something that I'm working on, okay? So that thing that I'm working on is kind of automating the content creation for LinkedIn. And that's a crazy thing because it will allow me to connect and talk about any subject out there and actually share my LinkedIn, I would say, research that I have done using LLMs and automate all the flow. So the use case that I'm trying to do is to automate it. So basically I'm creating a template for my LinkedIn and for my company, and I'm giving it actually variables, okay? So the title one, your image here, for example. So what I'm actually asking ChatGPT is to replace this image with this image, and I'm telling it this in the prompt, and it will actually do everything for us. So I just have to give him the ID, which is very important, of my image, or for my design, sorry. So you just come here and you'll find your ID here. So you give it the ID and you tell it where to place it, in which page. So I'm telling it page 1, and I'm giving it actually the picture, and I'm telling it important things to not to choose the background image. So it will do everything for me. It will call all the tools that it has in the Canva MCP, and it will do it by itself. So this is crazy actually for the automation, because it will allow and unlock a lot of potential kind of use cases. There's also something very important when it does actually this. You have to commit the changes and what it has done. But you can do it actually directly in the first comment and tell it when you have finished, just commit, and it will do it by itself. And when you commit, actually you will get the result directly in your Canva. So I hope you like the video. So for the LinkedIn kind of use case, I'll be sharing this in my community. So if you're interested, the community it's mainly for business acceleration. So if you're building a business and you want to accelerate actually the growth, I'm actually creating my own systems. I'm sharing that school community. So content creation, how to attract leads, and also I'm doing also cold outreach using LinkedIn, Sales Navigator, and yeah, a lot more. There's a lot of interesting things. So if you want to join, you can join up. We are already 52 members. So I hope you like the video and you find it pretty insightful. And as always, I hope it pushes you also to create your own builds and your own systems. Don't hesitate to drop a like button and subscribe to the channel. And see you in the next one.